Welcome to Branding in KashFlow Connect video. Branding feature in KashFlow Connect allows the practices to promote KashFlow as their own product. Therefore, it's important for accountants to know the ins and outs of branding. In this video, we'll look at the different aspects of branding feature. Branding in KashFlow Connect has these elements: uploading your practice logo, changing the KashFlow color scheme, designing the KashFlow reports, setting up the redirection pages, logging into KashFlow through your practice website, and customizing the client registration page. We'll deal with each of these elements in this video. You can replace the KashFlow logo with your own practice logo and also change the background color of the logo bar. In addition, you can change the background color of the main menu bar and also change the colors for primary and the secondary buttons. To upload your logo, click on My Account icon at the top right of the screen in KashFlow Connect and then choose Branding Settings. Then click on Upload Logo icon and choose your JPEG or PNG image. Please note, the file to be uploaded must not be more than 150 pixels in width and 60 pixels in height. If your file dimensions are greater than the set bounds, you can always resize your file in Microsoft Paint by using the resize option on the Home tab. Once the file is selected, you can see the preview in the preview box. You can also change the KashFlow color scheme using these rectangular color bars. The top bar changes the background color of the logo bar. The second bar changes the background color of the main menu bar. The third and the fourth bars change the background colors of the primary and the secondary buttons. To change the color of a particular section, we need to click on the relevant bar and then drag the color selector on the appropriate color on the color bar. Once the appropriate color has been selected, clicking anywhere in the rectangular box on top will change the color. So let's change the background color of the logo bar. So if I click on the top bar and then drag the color selector on the appropriate color on the color bar, I'm going to choose blue for my logo bar background color. Once I've chosen the color on the color bar, clicking anywhere in the rectangular box on top will change the background color of the relevant section. Likewise, we can change the background colors of the main menu bar, primary and secondary buttons by clicking on the relevant bars and then dragging the color selector on the appropriate color. Once you've selected your colors, you can save your changes by clicking on the Update button. Once you've uploaded your practice logo and have changed the KashFlow color scheme, the next stage is to customize the management reports. To customize the management reports, you simply need to click on the Reports tab. Here, you can add your practice logo to the management reports which you send to your clients. So add the logo by clicking on Upload Logo button and choose your JPEG or PNG image. You can also change the header and footer color by clicking on this color bar and dragging the color selector on the color of your choice. I'm going to select blue again. And in the preview box, you can see the color change. And finally, save your changes by clicking on the Update. You can redirect your clients to your Terms and Conditions page through the KashFlow registration page. Simply type in the web address of the page in the Terms and Conditions field. You can also redirect your clients to a particular web page when they log out of KashFlow. For example, your practice website. Simply type in the web address of the page in the Logout Redirect field. You can also invite your clients to log into KashFlow through your practice website. To enable your clients to log in through your practice website, embed the code and the Login Code tab to your website. Your clients will need to complete this registration form when you invite them to create a KashFlow account themselves. But what if you would like to customize this registration form? Well, you can customize the client registration form through the Registration tab options. So let's have a look at these options. You can change the web browser title of the registration page by changing the text in the intro title field. You can also change the opening statement of the registration form by changing the text in the intro message field. You can also change the text the client see when they finish the registration process by changing the texts in the thank you title and thank you message fields. You have the option to let your client choose the nominal template by selecting client in the Manage Nominal Templates field. If you let your client choose the nominal template, then you must type in some text for your client in Prompt Client for Nominal Template box. I'm going to select myself, and then I'm presented with the nominal template options to choose from. I'm going to select Artist Limited Company. Coming towards the bottom left, if you would like to be notified when a client registers, then leave the first checkbox ticked. If you would like your clients to choose their own client managers at the registration stage, then tick the second checkbox. Once happy, click on Update to save your changes.